This is an unknown challenge lock sent to me from Lock Junkie. It doesn't have any markings. I don't remember if he told me what it was, but it does the normal things that challenge locks do. The key's sticky, doesn't want to come out. Okay, so to try to get into it, I'm going to use Lawlock's tool 47 thousandths in the top of the keyway and the standard Moki. Got a little click out of 1. Got a little click out of 2. 1, 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Oh, doesn't matter. Just keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Got a little click out of 2. 2, 3, 4. Alright, 5 put me into a false set. So 1, 2, 1. I'm gonna drop some stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deeper false set. Alright, so we got 1, we got 2, we got 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just had to push 5 up a little bit and it opened. Again, I don't know which challenge lock this is, so if anybody watching does, just let me know and I'll edit the title to the video.